Okay, so here we are, a bit of an update on the 168 piece Toolpro kit that I purchased. Now, I've only used this a couple of times. It's really good to have the larger size sockets, the adjustable ratchet and that, adjustable shifter and that. But I pulled it out to use it the other day and I noticed all this rust on the long extension. Now I've had this less than 12 months and that's not really acceptable. It seems to be only affecting that one part at the moment, but that's not to say that it won't get worse on the others as time goes by. So I think I'm just going to take it back down to Supercheap Auto and see if I can get my money back. I'm going to tell them that I'm not happy with the quality and yeah, see how I go. Okay, well, I've just came out of Supercheap Auto. Because I ordered online, they couldn't actually do anything for me in there, but they've told me that I will receive a PayPal credit and a gift card. This is because I bought it using store credit, a gift card, 2 gift cards actually, and PayPal. So we'll see how it goes from here. Well, it seems to have all gone through well. I received an email from them saying that they give me an e-gift card and a refund. It does say $48.97 on the refund email, but it was $248.97, which is what I paid. So that amount's been recorded and I've used that to pay other bills and stuff. I also got back my $20 of store credit that I used. So all in all, about as good as I could be expected.